ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम. So in last class we finished Kroshtu Shabda, little bit different Shabda. It is Hraswa Ukaranta Shabda only. Generally ordinary Ghisaugneka Shabda, and that's how it will be declared. But with some Vibhakti Pratyayas, it will have different form. So Sambodh, the Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas, when these Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas are there in front of it, except when it is used for Sambodhana, then Ekvachana, which is Sambuddhi, there that is excluded. All other Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas, when they are there in front of it, Ukaranta, though Ukaranta, but it becomes Trujvat. It gets Trujvat Bhava. Trujvat Bhava is again is not the quality. It is not Trujanta Shabda, but yet being Ukaranta, we consider it as Ukaranta, Rukaranta. How do we get that? So by using the Trujvat Kroshtuhu, that Shabda, that Sutra. Now this Sutra is Atidesha Sutra, where the Trujvat Bhava is brought to Ukaranta Shabda. Kroshtu Shabda is Ukaranta and Trujvat Bhava is brought to this Kroshtu Shabda. Therefore Kroshtu turns into Kroshtru and then it is declined. Then for Ekvachana, short summary, it goes like this. These many sutras we have used. Trujvat Kroshtuhu and then Rutongi. One by one we will go. So Trujvat Kroshtuhu Sutra with Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas, we gave the Trujvat Bhava. Then Rudushanas Purudamso Neha Sancha, by this Sutra Anang Adesha was brought to last Ru, where the Guna was Prapta by this Rutongi Sarvanama Sthana Yoho. So Ni and Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas are there in front of that Rukaranta Shabda, then Rukaranta Shabda will get Guna. This is common rule for all Rukaranta Shabda. So now since Kroshtu Shabda has turned into Kroshtru, it is now Rukaranta. So because it is Rukaranta, Rutongi Sarvanama Sthana Yoho, this Sutra will be Pravritta. Now Ni and Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas, these two things are two types of Pratyayas are mentioned. One is Ni and other are Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas. So Su is Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. When it is there in front of Kroshtru, then Kroshtru, that Ru should get Guna, but that was Badhita by Rudushanas Purudamso Neha Sancha. It says that bring the Anang Adesha to Rudanta Shabda, means Rukaranta Shabda, when there is Asambuddhi Sarvanama Su. When there is Su Pratyaya, which is Sarvanama Sthana, which is not Sambuddhi, in that situation you bring what? The Anang Adesha. So thus we got the Kroshtru became Kroshtan, and then Upadha was made Dirgha by this Aptrun Truch, Swasrun Aptrun Estru. Now we took just Truch part of this Sutra. Trujantanam Upadhayaha Dirgha Syat, when Asambuddhi Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas are there. Now this is not Sambuddhi Sarvanama Sthana, it is normal Sarvanama Sthana Su, and therefore Upadha Dirgha took place. Kroshtan became Kroshtan, and then the Sa disappeared because of Sanyogantasya Lopaha, Na disappeared by Nalopa Pratipadikantase, we got Kroshta. Next forms, the Guna took place by this Rutongi Sarvanama Sthana Yoho, Upada dirgha took place by aptrun trusrun aptrun true by this sutra. And Kroshta this form we got. Kroshta Rah, Kroshta Ram, Kroshta Rav. And then once the Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas were over, Trujvat Bhava also was over. Then in the case of Shas, Kroshtru, the Kroshtu which had become Kroshtru, again it turns into Kroshtu. So we get Kroshtu. Now Kroshtu and Shas, here the normal, the ordinary, the common prakriya we do. What the Pratamayoho Purva Savarna is applied. Now after doing Pratamayo Purva Savarna Dirgha, Tasmat Chasunna Punsi by this sutra, we brought the Na in the place of Sa and we got Kroshtu in this form. Now once the Prathama and Ditya Vibhakti was over, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana. Here the next sutra came Vibhasha Tritiyadishvachi. Trujvat Kroshtuhu Tritiyadishu Achi Vibhasha Kroshtuhu Trujvat. That is the meaning. So when there is Ajadi Pratyaya, Tritiyadi Ajadi Pratyaya, starting from Tritiya Vibhakti Pratyayas, whatever the Ajadi Pratyayas are there, when those Pratyayas are there in front of Kroshtu, then Kroshtu will be optionally turned into Trujvat Bhava, means Trujvat. So in the case of Ta, Nge, Ngasi, Ngas, Os, and Ni, in these cases, and Am also, it was Prapta. What? The optional Trujvat Bhava was Prapta. So when Trujvat Bhava is brought, then it will become Kroshtru, Ta, Kroshtru, Nge, Kroshtru, Ngasi, Kroshtru, so everywhere. So Kroshtru, first we will take the Kroshtru, Trujvat Bhava form. When there is Trujvat Bhava, Kroshtru, A, simply do the Yana Desha, we get Kroshtra. Then Kroshtru, there is no Trujvat Bhava in the case of Bhyam, 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 Bhis, Bhyas, Bhyas. Just simply Kroshtu Shabda in original form, we just connect, there is no Prakriya. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachana, optional Trujvat Bhava, Kroshtru, Nge, Kroshtru, Nge, just Ikoyanachi, Kroshtre, form is over. In the case of Panchami and Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, here the Ruta Ut, this sutra came, and sutra said that when there is akara of ngasi and ngas pratyaya in front of rukaranta shabda, then the ru and the of that ngasi and ngas will be replaced by u. That u will always come with ra because of urandraparaha. Wherever the ru is replaced by un letters, then it will come with ra. That is the rule. Then we got kroshta ur sa, kroshta ur sa, kroshta ur sa, kroshta ur sa. These two forms we got. So together if we put, we get kroshturs, kroshturs, kroshturs. Now Sanyogantasya Lopa was applicable here, but one Niyama Sutra came. It was Ratsasya. If at all there is Sanyoga, and that Sanyoga is at the end of Pada, and there the Sanyogantasya Lopa is Pravritta. If the Sanyoga is of Refa and other letters, Refa and other consonant, then the Sanyogantasya Lopa, this sutra will be applicable in the case of Ra and Sa only, and not with other letters. So thus, in the case of Kroshturs, it is Ra and Sa disappeared, Ra remained, and then Refa was turned into Visarga by Kharvasana Visarjaniya. Kroshturs, Kroshtur, Kroshtuhu, Kroshtuhu, Kroshtuhu. These two forms we got. Then coming to the Shashti Vibhakti, Dvivachana form, simply Kroshtu turns into Kroshtru, Os, Kroshtros, Kroshtoho, Kroshtroho. That form we get. And then Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachan, Kroshtroho. Same Prakriya, no change. Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan we will go after. Kroshtari, Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan. Simply Ruto Ni Sarvanama Sthanayoho. This was the sutra. That Kroshtru Shabda will get Guna when there is Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya in front of it and when there is Ni Pratyaya in front of it. Now here it is Ni Pratyaya, therefore Guna takes place, Kroshtru becomes Kroshtar, and E. Kroshtari, simple, nothing, no change, just we have to bring the guna. Now, Kroshtushu, Saptami Bhakti Bahuvachan as it is. Kroshtarav, He Kroshtarav, He Kroshtarav, Prathama Vibhakti as it is formed, no change. Coming to this now remaining the Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan we will keep at the end. Remaining the Ukaranta forms of Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan, Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachan, Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan, Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan and Sambodhana Ekvachan. Here the Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi, by this sutra for Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, we had turned Krosh to optionally Trujvat. So if it is not Trujvat, then it is normally Ukaranta, normal Ukaranta Shabda. Then the ordinary general Prakriya. For Tritiya Bhakti Ekvachana, there will be Ango Nastriyam. Ta will be replaced by Na. We will get Kroshtuna. In the case of Chaturthi, Gherngiti, Kroshtu, Ukara will get Guna, Kroshto and A. Kroshto, A, Echoyavayavaha, Kroshtave. Then in the case of Panchami and Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, there will be Gherngiti, Guna will take place in the place of Ukara of that Kroshtu, Kroshto and As. Kroshto, As. This is how the forms will be there. And then the Purva Rupa will take place, Nasinga Soscha, and we will get Kroshtoho, Kroshtoho, these forms. Saptami Bhakti Ekvachan, Achaghe by this sutra, Ni is replaced by Au and the Kroshtu Ukara is replaced by Akara. And that Au, which is Adesha in the place of Ni, Vruddhya Adesha takes place and we get Au again. So Kroshtau, that's what we get the form. Sambodhana Ekvachana, Kroshtu Su. Now here the Trujvat Bhava is not Prapta because the Trujvat Kroshtuhu already excludes Sambodhana, Sambuddhi Ekvachan, that Sambuddhi Pratyaya. So therefore it is Kroshtu only. Then what will happen? Hrasvasya Gunaha, that Guna takes place. Correct. Sambud.
Rasvasya Gunaha followed by Engarasva.
I am not able to hear. Could you please repeat? I am not able to hear.
Rasvasya Gunaha followed by Engaha Rasva.
Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhehe.
Sambuddhehe.
And then Su disappears, we get Kroshto. Now coming to Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachana, here Vibhasha Tritiya Dishvachi, Kroshtu was supposed to turn into Trujvat. Trujvat Bhava, it was supposed to get Trujvat Bhava. Doesn't get. The reason is what? So there was one Vartika. It said that Numachira Trujvat Bhavebhyo Nut Purva Vipratishedhena. We had learnt one sutra, Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. Now here, that time we learnt that whenever there is Tulya Bala Virodha, whatever the sutra is later one, that one we will apply. Now here, another meaning of Vipratishedhe Param Karyam we saw, Vipratishedhe Aparam Karyam. That is another interpretation. But how will we come to know that Vipratishedhe Aparam Karyam, this is how we are supposed to read now, and Param Karyam now. So two ways are there. Two ways means one is that Para Shabda, how to understand Para Shabda. So the first of all, Patanjali Maharshi, he says that understand it, or the meaning of Para Shabda is Ishtam Karyam. So whatever is desired, that one, or whatever is Sadhu Prayogartham, that one we have to choose. And Katyayana Maharshi, he says that See, these are the places where we should read it as aparam karyam, and these are the places where we should read it them as param karyam. So this is the place where we should read it as aparam karyam. So therefore, between Trujvat Bhava and Nut Agama, we chose Nut Agama because of Numachira Trujvat Bhavabhyo Nut Purva Vipratishedhene. Purva Vipratishedhene Nut. So we brought Nut, and now once the Nut is brought, again the Trujvat Bhava will not happen because now it is not Ajadi, it is Na there in front of it. And because Na has come close to Nam, this is what the situation we got. Nami, by applying this sutra, we turned that Ukara into Dirgha, we got close to Nam form. And this is how the close to Shabda got over. Little bit unique, but this exercise is helpful. Once we are used to this exercise, then the Tinganta Prakriya also will be easy. But the Kroshtu Shabda is clear.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
So we will move to the next. Is there anything remain? Numachira Trujvat Bhavabhyo Nut Purva Vipratishedhena Vartika is over. Kroshtu Nam. This is what the form we derived, means declined using this Vartika. Kroshtari Saptami Bhakti Ekavachana. Now Pakshe Haladaucha Shambhuvat. Now Pakshe means it said Vibhasha Tritiyadishu Achi. Optionally it will be Trujvat. Then Paksha means when it is not Trujvat, then what? Then Shambhuvat. So, Pakshe Shambhuvat. And Haladaucha means Haladau. Ordinary Ukaranta Shabda. And Paksha means optionally, when it will be not having Trujvat Bhava. This is the meaning. So this is over. Next is who. Who is Shabda.
Hariom Narayanji,
Ji.
you said you wanted to complete that Aptrantrich, no?
So that Aptrantrich part, I thought it is not in Laghu, but it is in Laghu. So I had taken it here itself, but it is given in further. We are going to see it when the Rukaranta Shabdas will begin. So it is there in Laghu itself. So we will see it there itself. Okay, ji. Here we will see. I will show. So Varsha Bhu will here. Here it is already. It is there. Naptradigrahanam Vyutpatti Pakshe Niyamartham. Tena iha na. So here we will see that explanation. I thought it is not given there because it is given in Siddhant Kaumudi there. That's why I thought we will see it, and I thought it is not given in Laghu, but Laghu it is given here. So we will see that explanation here. So we will see that part when that sutra will come. So we will wait that. Now who Shabda is there. Who is Gandharva, the name of Gandharva. There is one Gandharva Ha, and there is another Gandharva Who. Ha Shabda we already saw. Now who Shabda we need to see. Who inbuilt Ukaranta Shabda, Dirgha Ukaranta Shabda. Nothing is there. So who One minute. Keyboard sometimes stop working. Who? Su. Who, Dhanasu. Ukara will disappear from Su. Upadeshe Janonasikait. Sa will remain. Who, Hus. Nothing will happen. Just Sa will turn into Ru. Sasarusho Ruhu. Then Karavasana or Visarjaniyaha. Who. That's what we will get the form. Directly I will take to Shabda. No Prakriya is happening there. Just common Prakriya is happening. Here is the Shabda. Article. Who, wow. The sutra is Iko Yanachi will be Prapta, Prathamayoho Purva Savarnaha will be Prapta, Purva Savarna Dirgha was Prapta, then it will be stopped by Dirghat Jasicha. Now this is Dirghanta Shabda and Ijadi Pratyay is there in front of it. Therefore, Jasi Ichicha Pare Dirghat, this Purva Savarna Dirgha Nasya. Then Iko Yanachi will be Prapta, who wow. Just is there, then also the Purva Savarna Dirgha will not take place, Yan only will take place. We will get who vaha. Whom. Here again the Purva Savarna, not this. Purva Savarna Dirgha only, Purva Rupa took place, Ami Purva by this sutra. Whom. Who vav, Iko Yanachi. Whoon. Here Prathamayo Purva Savarna took place because Dirghat Jasicha Sutra is not applicable here. So the ordinary Purva Savarna Dirgha took place. Who, Shas, who, As, who, that will be merged. Means and the last U. Who, U and is replaced now. Now both of these are replaced by U. So who and Sa. We got. Now Tasmat Chaso na Punsi, because it is Pullinga Shabda, Sa of Shas will be replaced by Na. We will get Hoon. That's all. Who, Ta. Who, A is the situation. Ta will disappear by Chutu. Who plus A, who va, Yanadesha. Who bhyam, who bhya. No prakriya, just the pratyayas, they will get connected, no any other word. Chaturthi vibhakti ekvachana, Nye is there, Iko Yanachi will take place, who ve. Panchami vibhakti, Shashti vibhakti ekvachan, who vaha, just Iko Yanachi. Shashti vibhakti, Saptami vibhakti, dvivachan, who voho. Shashti vibhakti bahuvachan, who vam. There is no nut agama because it is not hraswanta, it is not nadi saudnyaka, it is pullinga shabda, so it is not nadi saudnyaka. So no nut agama will come. So who, am, who vam, Iko Yanachi. Saptami vibhakti ekvachana, who, ni, nga will disappear by lashakvata dhite, e will be there, hraswa e. Who vi, simple Iko Yanachi. Dvivachana, we saw. Who, shu, sup will be there, who, sup. Pa will disappear, halantyam. And then who, su. Sa will turn into sha by adesha pratyayoho, who, shu. Sambodhana, he, who. No change, just as it is. It is not nadi saudnyaka. Simple shabda. Who, vav, who, vaha. That's it. Shabda is over. No special karya is happening. Normal Iko Yanachi is applied and all the pratyayas are formed. So दीर्घ उकारांत हु शब्द is over. Is this shabda clear? Any doubt in this shabda?
No, ji.
Now the next word is atichamuhu. Here it is. In grantha hu vav hu vah hu whom ityadi. That's how he just left. No changes, just normal prakriya is there. Next is atichamu shabdetu nadi karyam visheshah. Now atichamu shabda we have to see. Atichamu shabda, we'll coin it here. There is samasa. By that samasa we get atikrantah chamum iti atichamuhu. Atikrantah chamum iti atichamuhu. Chamu is army. Atikranta means the one who has crossed. The one who has crossed the army. That is the meaning coming out. Atikrantah nagarim, atikranta nagari. That's how shabda can be coined. So here the one who has crossed the army means the one who has won over that army. That is the meaning coming out. Now chamu shabda is dirgha ukaranta strilinga shabda. Chamu. And that word is used to coin new word which is talking about Puman. So this atichamu shabda is pullinga shabda. Because chamu shabda is dirgha ukaranta, use trakhyo nadi sutra will be applicable. Use trakhyo nadi. Sorry, this u is dirgha. Use trakhyo nadi. Icha, ishcha, ushcha, you. That is the samasa. Means what? Dirgha ikaranta, dirgha ukaranta shabdas which are talking about stri will get nadi savnya. Now this chamu shabda is dirgha ukaranta shabda and it is strilinga shabda, therefore it is nadi savnyaka. Now we coin new word atichamu. This is coined using dirgha ukaranta chamu shabda which was nadi savnyaka. So that nadi saudnya will be carried here even though it is now pullinga shabda by prathama linga grahanancha, by that vartika. And because nadi saudnya is there in this ati chamu shabda, the nadi saudnya karya will happen here. Okay. Now after applying nadi saudnya karya, this is what we get the shabda. You will see here. Okay. Ati chamu dhanasu. There was one sutra. So far we have seen only dirgha ikaranta nadi saudnyaka shabda. If you remember, we just all were dirgha ikaranta. Now use trakhyo nadi sutra talks about dirgha ikaranta and dirgha ukaranta. Ikaranta shabdas we saw the prakriya. Generally ikaranta shabdas will be nyanta. Pratyanta they will be. Only few shabdas we saw that avi, tantri, dhi, shri. These shabdas are dirgha ikaranta, but they are not nyanta. They are not ni pratyanta, stri pratyanta. They are inbuilt, means they are by origin itself they are dirgha ikaranta. But now all other words are ni pratyanta. Now when it came to dirgha ikaranta shabda, for example any shabda, we will take nadi shabda, if I want to decline, nadi dhanasu, this nadi shabda is nadi saudnyaka. Other word I will take. Vaishnavi shabda we will take. Dhanasu. This is nyanta, nipratyanta. What prakriya will happen here in the case of Vaishnavi? हल न्याभ्यो दीर्घात् सुतिस्य पृक्तम हल लुप्यते. You will disappear. The sutra, the meaning is halantat, nyantat, abantat, dirghat nyantat, dirghat abantat. That one word we have to take there. Dirghat nyantat and dirghat abantat. Su syapruktam hal lupyate. This is the meaning. That aprukta hal of su, ti and si of these three pratyas, if aprukta hal of any one of these three pratyas is there in front of halanta anga, dirghanta nyanta, dirghanta abanta, okay, so will disappear. The sa, the hal aprukta will disappear. Thus we got the form Vaishnavi. So is not there. Now we have Ati Chamu Shabda, which is Nadi Saudnyaka. What will be the prakriya?
Just Shasha Jushurupu and Parasani.
Will this halnyabhyo dirghat sutite praktam hal not be applicable?
Not applicable.
Reason is
It is not Niyanta. It is not Halan.
it is not halanta, it is not dirghanta nyanta, dirghanta abant, it is not. It is dirgha ukaranta. It is having nadi saudnya, but it is dirgha ukaranta. Therefore, it will remain as it is. Therefore, we will get that vadhuhu vadhva vadhva. That vadhu shabda will be dirgha ukaranta, and it will be declined vadhuhu vadhva vadhva. So now, chamu shabda is again chamuhu chamvau chamvah. That's how it is declined, even if it is single. So sa will not disappear. Ati chamuru, then ati chamur, and we will get form ati chamuhu. Sanur visarjaniya rutu visarga ati chamuhu. Ati chamvau dirgha ati chamu dhana au. इको एणाची is प्राप्त, प्रथमयो पूर्व सवर्ण is प्राप्त. Which sutra will do nishedha? Dirgha jasicha. So इको एणाची only will take place. Purva savarna will not take place. So we will get form ati chamvo. Then ati chamu dhanajas. What will happen here?
Same. So
Same.
Ati Chamu plus us.
Ati chamu plus us. Ja will disappear by chutu. Then ati chamvas we will get. No prathamayo purva savarna will take place because dirgha jasicha. It is dirghanta shabda and jas is there in front of it. We will get ati chamvaha. Ati chamu. How ready out is ati chamvau. Ati chamu. will happen here?
G, did we miss Dvitiya Ekvachan?
Dvitiya Ekvachan we miss. Sorry. What will happen here? Amipurva will be. It will do the badha of Ikoyanachi, the Prathamaya Purva Savarna. Amipurva is the predominant, so it will work and we will get Ati Chamum form. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan form. Chamu Shas. What will happen here? Chamu As.
प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः.
Prathamaya Purva Savarna will be applicable here. There is no any other sutra which will do badha of Prathamaya Purva Savarna here. Dirghat Jasicha sutra is applicable in the case of Jas Pratyaya and Ijadi Pratyaya, which is out and out. But in the case of Shas, it is not Jas, it is not Ijadi. Therefore, the Nisheda of Prathamaya Purva Savarna will not take place. But what will happen here? Prathamaya Purva Savarna Dirgha will take place. Both the U and A will disappear. Aticham. Dirgha U will come. Then there is Sa. Sutra is Prathamayoho Purva Savarnaha. What will be the next step?
Why not Tasmachasuna Pumsi?
Atichamuhu.
We have not done anything. Aticham miss. I didn't say that we will not apply Tasmachasuna Pumsi. You are free to tell that. If you think it is applicable, then you can say. You think that Tasmachasuna Pumsi is applicable here.
This Pullinga.
Atichamu Shabda is Pullinga. I will show the form. It is Atichamun only. Let's turn it into Na. I will turn it into Na. But will this sutra be applicable here? We had seen this in Bahushreyasi Shabda. So by we get Nadi Saudnya because it is Dirgha Ukaranta. Using that word, we have coined this new word. But it is Pullinga. Because it is Pullinga and we are doing Purva Savarna Dirgha, Kruta Purva Savarna Dirgha, once we have done the Purva Savarna Dirgha, and if there is Sa of Shas Pratyaya, it is going to get replaced by Na, by Tasmachasuna Pumsi. Therefore, here Sa turns into Na by Tasmachasuna Pumsi. It is applicable. Form is clear?
Yes जी.
Ati chamun. Ati chamu dhanata. What will be the prakriya here? Ati, what will be the next step?
Eco energy.
Eco energy. Energy. Form is ready. Ati chamwa. Next. Ati chamu. Bhyam. Nothing. No prakriya. Ati chamu bhyam. Chamu. प्रक्रिया जस्ट ससविषोरुः खरवसानयोः विसर्जनीयः अति चमूभिः अति चमू धन ङे. What will happen here?
नद्याः
जी जी. What will happen here?
Anadyayah followed by Atasya.
At agama will happen to A is ngit. So ngitam ad agamah स्यात्. An nadyaha. It is nadi saudnyaka. Therefore at agama will come to is nge pratyay, the ngit pratyay, the nge, ngasi, ngas, ngi. In these pratyas, at is going to come because of nadi saudnya. Ad nadya. We'll get ati, chamu, dhana, a. That will disappear by halantyam, a, halantyam, what will happen then? Next step will be
वृद्धि.
correct. By which sutra?
Atasya.
Ati chamu ai. Next will be what will be the here?
Eco energy.
Ai. Energy. Form is ready. Why? No prakriya. Ati chamu. Yes. In other words, just sasashuruhu kharasanoru visarjaniyah. Form is ready. Ati chamu bhyah. Ati chamu dhana ngasi. What will happen here?
At agama here also.
Here also at agama will come. Tyam. Dashakva tadhite. Upah. अति चमू आठ अस नद्याः वृद्ध्यादेश will take place. Both also will disappear. Also will disappear. Just sa will remain. Vruddhi will be a and then sa. It will be atascha. Ati cham u as. What will happen here?
Eco energy.
Eco energy va as. Ati chamwas sasayushoruhu ra will turn into visarga kharvasane visarjaniya. Form is ready. Ati chamwaha. Ati chamu भ्याम no प्रक्रिया. अति चमू भ्याम. ससुरु खरवसाने विसर्जनीय. फॉर्म इज रेडी. अति चमू भ्यः. अति चमू रस दशको तद्धिते तस्य लोप अति चमू अस. अति चमू अस. What will happen here next?
आनद्याः.
आनद्याः. Next. आटश्च वृद्धि. अति चमू u will व by eco energy. अति चम व आस. सूत्र is eco energy. Form is ready. अति चमवाहा. अति चमू then os. What will happen here?
Eco energy.
Eco energy and then sasayushoru kharvasane visarjaniyah. Form is ready. Ati chamvoho. अति चमू then am. What will happen here?
Rasvanadyapo nut.
Nut will agama. But it is not hraswanta.
Nadi
Nadyanta.
It is nadi saudnyaka. Therefore nut agama will come. So ati chamu dhana nut and then am. Swanadyapo nut. Ati chamu dhana na. Who will disappear? Ta will disappear. Am will remain. Here alantyam lopa Chamu, na, am. Am is ready. There is no need of applying this. So we have to this Parjanyaval Lakshana Pravritti. Nami Ajantangasya Dirghasya. It is already Dirgha, but again it will become Dirgha. So we will get form Ati Chamu Naam. Ati Chamu. Na, what will happen here?
Neram Nityam Nibhyah.
Neram Nadyam Nibhyah. Nehe am. Nadyantat, abantat, then ni shabdat. So here it is nadyanta. Ni will be replaced by am. Nam nadyam nibhyah. What will happen next?
Should we apply Anadyaha?
Oh, Annadhya. Sorry, I forgot. Annadhya will be applicable. Huh? Here will be art. Sutra is Annadhyaha. Annadhya will be pravritta. Though even if we don't apply it, we can get the form, but it will be pravritta. Atichamu art and then Annadhyaha. Continue with this. Yeah, 0, 0, and then ma. Ati chamu. What will happen here? Atascha. By that atascha, vriddhi will happen. A will come. This is the ma. Atascha. Ati chamu am. Again we got the ati chamu am. Now what will happen here?
Ati Chambam.
What is the sutra?
Toyanachi.
Toyanachi. Form is ready. Ati chamvam. Ati chamu. Then a os. What will happen here?
Ikoyanachi
Ikoyanachi sashuru karavasana visarjaniya. Ati chamvoho. Ati chamu. Then a sup. What will be the form?
Ati Chamushu.
Ati chamushu. Adesha pratyayoho. Sa will turn into sha. इनको ब्याम पर से सो अति chamushu. Then अति chamu dhana su संबोधन एक वचन. What will happen here? हे अति चमू
Forgot the sutra's name. Nadya, Nadi Sanya is there. Therefore, that Sakara will disappear.
Okay.
But the sutra name, I forgot.
Any other sutra?
अम्पार्थरस
अम्बार्थनद्योः
So Ambartha Nadyor Hraswaha. Nadi Saudnyaka will turn into Hraswanta. And there is Sambodhana Pratyay is there, the Sambuddhivachaka Pratyay is there. So therefore Ati Chammu will turn into Hraswa Okaranta. And then this Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhehe, because it is Hraswanta now, the Sambodhana will disappear. We will get He Ati Chammu. Then Mu Dhana How. What will be the form?
Ati Chambau.
What is the Prakriya?
Same. Like
Ikoyanachi. Then Pratamayo Purva Savarnaha. Dirghajyasicha.
Badita by Dirghajyasicha. So you apply
Then
the eco-energy.
Ikoyanachi Ati Chambo. Mu Dhana Jas. The form. Yati.
Chambaha.
Yati Chambha. So this is the Shabda. Ati Chamuhu, Ati Chamvau, Ati Chamvaha, Ati Chamum, Ati Chamvau, Ati Chamun, Ati Chamva, Ati Chamubhyam, Ati Chamubhi, Ati Chamvai, Nadi Karya. Ati Chamubhyam, Ati Chamubhya, Ati Chamvaha. Again, Nadi Karya. Nadi Karya is At Agama and Vruddhi, Atascha. Ati Chamvaha. Ati Chamubhyam, Ati Chamubhya. No work. Ati Chamvaha. Again, Nadi Saudnyakatvat, Nadi Karya and Nadyaha. Atascha Buddhi Atichamvaha. Atichamvoho just eco energy. Atichamunam Nadyantatvat Nut Agamaha Atichamuna. Then Atichamvam Nyenam Nadyam Nibhya Nadyantat Nehe Amsyat. So it is Nadyanta. Therefore Atichamu Am Atichamvam eco energy. We get eco energy and then before that we have to do the At Agama because Nadi Saudnya is there. Then again the Atascha Vruddhi takes place. A plus A. We get again Am and then Atichamvam eco energy. Then Atichamu plus Os Atichamuho normal eco energy. No any other thing. Atichamushu Adesha Pratyayoho turns into Sha Murdanya. Then Sambodhana Ekvachana Sambuddhi Saudnyaka it is. Therefore the Ambarthanadyor Hrasvaha. Ambartha Shabdas Nadi Saudnyaka Shabdas, if they are there and they are getting followed by Sambuddhi Ekvachana, then they will turn into Hraswa. So we get Atichamu Sa and then Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhehe by this sutra. Engantat Hraswantacha Sambuddhehe Su Lupyate. So Sa disappeared. We got He Atichamu. He Atichamu, He Atichamu. Normal Prakriya eco energy. Pratamayo Purva Savarnaha. Again Dirghajyasicha. Again eco energy is applicable and we get He Atichamvo. Same Prakriya will happen. Same sutra is applicable for Jas also. Sambodhana He Atichamvoha. So Atichamu Shabda is over. The Shabda is clear?
Yes, Ji.
So here we will stop. Next Shabda is Khalapuhu. So for that Khalapuhu Shabda, next sutra will come. Here till this we have finished. Atichamunam, this much is over. Khalapuhu is the Shabda we will start tomorrow. Next sutra also will come in that. Should we do Shanti Patha Swamiji?
Yes, sir.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. हरि ओम स्वामीजी. हरि ओम.
हरि ओम.
हरिओम नारायण जी.
हरि ओम.